Look at that. Bad driving and all that, but we found fuel. Oh, we found fuel. Woof! Hello! Hi, can you have full please?
Okay, okay.
Thank you. How are we doing on the fuel thing? Okay. Oh, it's a mad place to drive.
Okay.
Perfect. Thanks.
Going to Roji?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
From McLeod.
Okay, Macau. Okay. Done.
Oh yeah, that's fine. It's fine. Perfect. Excellent.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Right.
Oh.
In here somewhere. There's some money.
Kami sini apa? Sini. Sini aja.
$680.27. 7,319.
What's cash? Oh.
Oh, sorry, cash. Do you want the card?
Okay.
I don't mind either way. Cash is easier.
Thank you.
It's 319.73 if that helps. Cheers.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. You'll have to share it.
Okay, sir.
Oh, pleasure.
One.
Delhi.
Okay.
Ah, I'm chuffed, got fuel. How are we doing? We happy? Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Go.
Go. Cheers. I need to get a Coke. Is there a Coke machine here? No Coke, but we got fuel. Second fuel, and it was 723. 723, 480.